Hello and welcome to CreateLoveShare. I got another order from Diamond Dotz. I got this one from dotsdirect.com.au and I got two sort of different ones that I'd like to show you today. So what I might do is show you the little one first. So this one here is Pepper Bon Appetit and it's an intermediate. Showing you the box here. It's actually got just a little bit crunched, but these are sturdy boxes, so I'm not concerned about the contents. I know that they'll be well protected. Yeah, so this one here, Diamond Dotz, and on the side here it is a partial. So there's your design area. Bring that up a bit. Design size 35.5 by 28 centimeters, so it's actually really good size. And your fabric size is 43.5 by 36 centimeters. And then on the other side, it's actually got your diamond area, and it tells you there's 16 colors and there's 4,076 drills. So again, on the box, looks pretty good. So we'll get in there and have a look. So I've already cut the seal there. We'll see how this looks. Got your canvas and you got your drills. So we'll have a look at that canvas first. So your canvas comes in a sleeve to protect it from moisture and dust. And with your Diamond Dotz, you have this beautiful scalloped edging. The canvas is really, really lovely. So we'll roll her out. Hang on a minute. Alright, with all your Diamond Dotz, you get an instruction sheet. It's printed in color and it's in several different languages. So we want to have a look at this. Cool. Oh, that looks alright actually. Okay, so I'm going to roll it backwards. It is poured glue, so you can roll this backwards. I'm only doing this so you can have a look at it properly without it rolling all over the place. There we go. And I'm just going to take that take the plastic off and sort of fix it back up again, because with it being rolled like that, it does get bubbles in there and sort of puckers the canvas up. So I do this anyway with my canvases, all of them. I just peel the plastic back and re-seal it back up again, because it just gives a chance for that canvas to relax and sit a bit flatter. So I'm just going to flatten them out really roughly. There we go. It's a bit better. So Pepper Bon Appetit. This is a great size actually. So I originally got this. This is I ordered this for my mum. She wants this one. And she's going to do it up, frame it, and put it in her kitchen. So it's going to look awesome. She's already got the spot picked out and everything. So, and it won't take too long to do. So I'm going to let her do that one up. But anyway, we'll zoom in and have a bit of a look at that drill field. So in we go. So as you can see, it's nice and clear. There's no issues with Diamond Dotz, with their grid, with their glue, with their drills, and their symbols are always nice and clear. So that's looking really good. So that won't take long at all. That's great. I'll take you over to the symbol key. There it is. So your symbol key, it's got all your colors there. It has numeric order. It has a symbol and it has a Diamond Dotz number. Got your beautiful scalloped edging, and down the bottom there it tells you, where is it? Down the bottom there it shows you the thumbnails. Oops. and the name and the number. And you have 2 symbol keys there, 1 on each side. So I'm just going to zoom you back out again. All right, we'll have a look at those drills. They're the best part. So in your packet, you have your Pepper Bon Appetit. You also have your design number. All right, so you've got your drills and you've got your toolkit. So in your toolkit, you've got a squishy comfort thing for your drill pan. You've got some wax in a screw top container, a drill tray, and a single placer pen, and some resealable bags. And we've got some drills. Some beautiful drills. Oh, gee, they're pretty colors. Alright, so let's have a bit of a look at these drills. So you've got some lovely browns and dark greens. So you've got some nice variation with the greens there. You get some really nice shading. Same with your reds. And your Diamond Dotz drills, they're really, really good quality drills. They've got some beautiful sparkle. And they're really good to work with. They're nice and uniform. So those colors are looking really good. Really pretty. And I'll just do a sticky test. Yep, nice and sticky. So that's really cute actually. I really like that. I'm glad I got that. Really nice. So I'll end up showing you how that looks later on, further on down the track, once it's framed and everything. But I reckon that's going to come up really nice. It's a really nice design. Right, so on to the next one. So this one here, it's just cute. I just thought, you know what, it's cute. I'm going to get it. So this one is an intermediate as well. It's called Believe in Miracles. Again, they show you the design of the box, which I really, really like. And this box is a little bit different. It gives you a QR code and some writing and your diamond area. This is a partial as well. I'm just having a look to see what else is on there. You got your instructions on the back and some stuff there. Oh goody, suitable for ages 8 to 80. So we'll get in there and have a look. Again, I'll cut that so we can get in and have a look. One canvas, one lot of drills. Again, your canvas is in a nice plastic sleeve. And you've got your beautiful scalloped edging. I really like that. And the canvas is so nice and it's soft, it's pliable. It's just really lovely. And it doesn't, I find with Diamond Dotz canvases, as soon as I get them out and I lay them flat, I don't need to be putting them under books for weeks on end and that to sort of get rid of the creases and flatten them out. I can just pretty much work on them straight away. So I really, really like that because I don't have much patience. If I order diamond painting, I want to do it. I don't want to wait. That's just how I roll. So in here, I'm just going to fish around and find that instruction sheet. So again, like the other one, instruction sheet. And let's have a look at our canvas. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, gee, I like the background. Well, that's cuter than I thought it was going to be. What's that? Oop, we got something under there. We'll have a closer look in a minute. So I'm just going to, again, roll this one back so it sits a bit flatter. Whoa. Sorry about that. The dog just stepped on my tripod. She's in all of my videos, by the way. She's under the table. Every single video, she's under the table. So that's a little bit flatter. Now, I want to know what the heck's going on there. So we'll have a bit of a zoom in and see what that is. But, gee, I love this background. That is so cute. And actually, I was buying that as a present for my niece, and I think I might keep it. Anyway, let's go and have a look. So I'm going to zoom you in. We'll have a look at that drill field and see what's going on under the glue there. So I'm hoping, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm hoping that is focusing. So there's your drill field. Beautiful. Nice and easy to read. Nice and clear. Nice and colorful. And you've got your symbol key down the side here. Easy to see symbols. You've got your numeric order that they're in, your symbol. And interestingly enough, it doesn't actually say the Diamond Dotz number on those drills. That's interesting. So your design size, here it is down the bottom. You've got 2 thumbnails, your drill area and your design size area, whatever. Yeah, design size 35 by 35 and your fabric 43 by 43. But that is looking really, really gorgeous. Gosh, I like that. All right, let's go and have a look. What is that? What are you? Okay, so I can feel it is under the plastic. Okay. All right. I'll just clean that up a little bit. I just scratched it off. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like it actually feels like a chip piece of flaked paint. You know when you flick paint off something? Anyway, I'll clean that up. That just came off, so it's no problem at all. Thank goodness for that. There we go. The other side. That'll help relax the canvas. There we go. Alright, so I'm not concerned about that. So I'll zoom you back out again. So this is basically what I do with every diamond painting I get, regardless of where it comes from, is I actually check the canvas to make sure that there's nothing stuck under the plastic, stuck in the glue. Just make sure that the symbols are nice and clear and easy to see. I just sort of check all that sort of stuff because things do happen. It doesn't matter where you get them from. Sometimes you can have something, as you've seen, get stuck underneath there. Sometimes it's easy to get off, sometimes it's not. And I also check the drills, make sure that I've got all of them in there and make sure there's no issues, because if you do leave it, you know, 6-12 months down the track and there is an issue, trying to chase that up all that time later can be a real pain in the backside. So I check everything and just make sure it's okay, and then, you know, we're all good to go. So yeah, but I'm not concerned about that. I'll just sort of clean it up a little bit. It's still super sticky, so there's no issues there. Anyway, let's get on and have a look at those drills. So you've got your design and believe in miracles. Some really pretty colors. and your toolkit. You have a squishy comfort grip thingy and your wax and your tray and your drill pen and some more resealable bags. Ooh. Got some black and you got AB. I don't think I've had a blue AB. I've had some of the other ones. So your AB, just an extra coating on there, makes it super duper sparkly. That's cool. Okay. And you've also got some white AB. Pink. Beautiful rainbow colors. The yellow there is an AB as well. Wow, that's going to look awesome. Got green. Another green. Another blue. Purple. Ooh, I like that purple. Wow, got some really, really pretty colors. And we're going to flip her all over again. So, Believe in Miracles. Oh my. I love the background. Oh, I'm going to like doing that. And a 35 by 35 is a perfect size. That is going to be a really fun project. I really like that. So we have Believe in Miracles and our Pepper Bon Appetit. Two of the latest diamond paintings I just got in this morning. So these will feature in videos further on down the track. This one I've already decided I'm going to keep it and get my niece something else because, you know, I need more diamond paintings. But I reckon that's going to be a lot of fun to do. And my mom's going to do this one, so I will show you how that turns out further on down the track as well. So two really cool diamond paintings, really good sizes. They're not too big of a project to do, and the colors in that, they're just going to turn out beautiful. So there you go. My latest diamond paintings from dotzdirect.com.au. Fantastic company to deal with. Check out their website. They got a lot of stuff on there. And yeah, as I said, I'll show you what these guys look like further on down the track. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.